Hello everyone, welcome to Electronically Connected. In this video, we will be seeing how to multiply and divide two binary numbers. So if you have seen the previous video which covered the addition and subtraction of binary numbers, this video will be easy to catch on. So if you haven't, please click on the link below in the description. So let's get started. Let us first start with the multiplication of binary numbers. So what are the rules behind the multiplication of binary numbers? The rules are very simple. 1 into 1 will give you 1. 1 into 0 is going to give you 0. 0 into 0 is going to give you a 0. And 0 into a 1 is going to give you a 0. So the multiplication rules are straightforward. It's the same multiplication that you do when you do a decimal multiplication. So let's start with an example. So let's multiply 1001 with 101. So now we multiply the very first digit, that's the 1 into 1. It's a 1. Then 1 into 0 is a 0. 1 into 0 is 0 and 1 into 1 is 1. Then you leave this place empty as you do in a normal decimal number multiplication. Then you multiply this 0 with all of these digits. So it's 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Again 0 and 0. Then you leave two spaces empty and then you multiply with this one. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0 and 1 into 1 is 1. After you have multiplied digits, you add them together in columns. So 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 1 is 1. And there is my answer. To verify if what you have done is correct, 1001 in decimal is 9 and 101 in decimal is 5. And 9 into 5 is equal to 45. And 101101 in decimal is, let's convert this into 8421 rule. So we have 8421. This becomes 16 and this becomes 32. Now how did this happen? This was 2 raised to 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5. So if we'll convert 101101, it becomes 2 to the power 5 into 1 plus 2 to the power 3 into 1 plus 2 to the power 2 into 1 plus 2 to the power 0 into 1. Just considering the places where there is a 1 present. And this is going to yield you 45 as well. And there we have it. So the answer matches. Let's see another example. So let us multiply with a decimal point. So we have 1011.01 and we multiply this with 10.01. Currently, on the very first step, when we multiply, let's forget the decimal point number and just multiply usually as you do. So for the first multiplication, on the very first unit, we have 1. So it's 1 into 1 is 1. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Then you leave one space, then you multiply with 0. So we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then again we have 0. So it's 0 into 1, and you leave two spaces. So you have 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, then 0, 0, 0 and 0. And then comes the last digit, which is again 1. So you leave three spaces now. And then you multiply. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. Then 1, 1, 0 and 1. And now you add all of them. So when we add all of them, what we have in column wise. So we have 1, 0, 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 2 is written as 1, 0 in binary. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Again 2 in binary is 1 and 0. So 1 is carried forward. Then 1 plus 1 again is 2. So we have 1 over here. Then 1 and 1. Now for a decimal point, how many decimal points we have? We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from the right hand side we count 1, 2, 3 and 4 and there we place our decimal point. So my answer is this 11001.0101. And to check if our answer is correct, 1011.01 in binary is 11.25 and 1001 is 2.25. So if you multiply 11.25 into 2.25, you get 25.3125. And to check if your answer is correct, let's convert this into decimal point. So what do we have? From this decimal point, we have 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, and 2 raised to 4, and 2 raised to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. So what do we get? We get 2 raised to 4 plus 2 raised to 3 because of these 2 points. Then we have 0, 0. Then we have plus 2 raised to 0. Plus, for this one, we have 2 raised to minus 1 plus 2 raised to minus 4. And the answer is 25.3125. And there we have it. Now let's move forward to the second part of our video, which is discussing the division of two binary numbers. The division of two binary numbers is very similar to how you divide two decimal numbers. Let's take an example. If you have to divide 26 by 25, so you write 26 divided by 5. Now 2 is smaller than 5, it cannot be divisible, so we move forward to the next number. 26 can be divided by 5. 5 into 5 is 25, which is smaller than 26, so you write the quotient 5 and you write the number 25. Then you subtract both of these numbers. 6 minus 5 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. And now we cannot move any forward. So this is the remainder. And this is my quotient. And this is how we divide two simple decimal numbers. Now let's do the same division for binary numbers. Now 26 is written as 11010. And then you divide this number by 5 and 5 is written as 101. Now this is 3 units of numbers. So we take 3 numbers. So 101. Now you first consider these 3 numbers. 110. You write 1 time of this because 5. This is 5. And how much is this? This is 4, 5, 6. So this is smaller. The 5 is smaller than 6. So we can divide. So 1s are 1 times. So you write 101. And then you divide the numbers. Now when you divide the numbers, you have to remember how the division of two binary numbers work. 0 minus 1 gives you 1 and you take out 0 from here. And then the answer just becomes 1. Then take 1 down. Now this number is smaller than this because this is 5. Remember this is 5, right? And this we get is 3. Now 3 is smaller than 5, hence we need one more number. So we write a 0 and then we bring down my 0 from here. Now again, what is this? This is 6. So we can divide. So again 1 times and then 101. And again it is 0 minus 1 is 1. And there we take our carry. So the answer is 0 and 0. And that's it. And this is my remainder. So we can see the whole method is same as how you do for decimal numbers. So again here we get my remainder as 1 and my quotient is 5. 101 in decimal number is 5. And there we have it. Let's see another example. Let's try and divide 101010. We have to divide this with 100. Now what is 100? It is 4. So we'll divide 1 times 100. We subtract the numbers. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 1. So we don't have to write this. Now we get 1. Now we bring down the next digit, which is 0. Now 10 is 2. 2 is smaller than 4. Not possible to divide. So we add a 0 over here and bring down the next number. So this is 1. Now we can again say 1 times and then we subtract both the numbers. Again we have 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then we bring down this 0. Again this is 2. 4. So we cannot go any forward. And hence, this is the conclusion of our division, that my remainder, what I have is this, which is 2. And my quotient, what is this? This is 4 and 5. So this is 5. Now let us see the decimal equivalent of this. We have 101010. In decimal, it is written as 42. 42 divided by 4. So we have 4 ones are 4. We subtract both of these numbers. You get a 0. You bring down 2. And there we have it. We cannot move any forward. So 10 in decimal point is written as 2. Hence the division of two binary numbers. With this, we come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy learning. See you next time.